Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Hope you are all doing okay. In my previous video, I used the term electric revolution. I don't think this term is widely used, so I feel that I should explain why the times we live in can be considered as an electric revolution. Anybody who didn't spend the last few decades on an isolated island heard about climate change and its main cause, namely greenhouse gas emissions. Studies show that the major greenhouse gases are carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, fluorinated gases, and it also shown that carbon dioxide is the largest component, around 65% of all greenhouse gases. The transportation sector is responsible for around 14% of that emission. Agriculture, forestry and other land use is at 24%. Industrial activities combined at around 21%, etc. I'll put a link to the references in the description below so that you can look up the data. You can see that many aspects of human activities contribute to emission of greenhouse gases. Even though there is a massive resistance, we as mankind reached a point where finally we need to do something to decrease the impact of climate change, and now we've got the technology to do something. And this technology is battery technology. I know that it is developing day by day, but it is already good enough to transform our life. Since the first commercial lithium-ion battery was developed by Sony in 1991, it has changed our lives already. It allowed us to have portable electronic devices with considerable operating times, and as the technology further developed, batteries started to appear in vehicles. I know that there are there were electric buses in London thanks to the London Electrobus company, and electric cars on our roads in the early 1900s, but unfortunately they were replaced by ICE vehicles. Lithium-ion batteries brought them back again because these batteries are now safe and relatively cheap to be used by transportation industries. These batteries also allowed us to store electricity in massive battery farms, which opened a whole new perspective in the energy industry, because it now makes commercial sense to produce energy from renewable sources like wind, sun, tide wave, etc. The next generation of batteries, so-called solid-state batteries, are predicted to be commercially available around 2025, when they will accelerate the electric transformation even more, especially in the transformation industry. It is predicted that those batteries will have much better energy density, they will be safer, lighter, and can be recharged much faster than the current lithium-ion batteries. Let's hope that is going to be the case. It is being reported quite often that renewable power plants are being opened all over the planet. The latest that I heard of was the Hornsea 2 wind farm, which is going to be fully operational in 2022 and will be able to power 1.3 million homes in the UK. This capacity may not sound too big compared to the population of the UK, but this is not the first plant and certainly not the last one. So I believe there is a great potential in renewable power plants. As I mentioned, battery farms are key to store energy, but they can also stabilize the existing power grids by acting as a buffer. They can provide extra power in electric car charger stations when many cars are being charged at the same time, so the station needs less power from the grid. They can work in conjunction with home solar panels to release the stored energy when it is needed in the house, or to charge the connected electric car. Tesla is very known for their electric cars, and frankly, I believe that company started the electric revolution in the car industry. Elon Musk may be a controversial person, but what he achieved with Tesla and other companies of his is truly remarkable. What Tesla is less known for is their clean energy subsidiary, Tesla Energy. That company develops, manufactures, and sells battery storage systems solar energy generating systems to residential, commercial and industrial customers. Among many others, they've developed a massive battery farm in Victoria, Australia recently. Elon Musk bet that his company would deploy it within 100 days, and Tesla did it within that time frame. The project has been a great success and saved tens of millions of dollars in network costs. The battery use cases are endless and will expand further as the technology develops. I would be happy to make a video on how the energy industry is changing and evolving. Please let me know in the comments below if you would like me to do that. I think the key to our sustainable future is battery technology. This is going to be the base of our lives in the not too distant future. Companies which can produce good quality batteries in volume will thrive. Industries which can embrace this new future will survive. Others may not. I believe the electrification process cannot be stopped. There is no way back. That is why I call it an electric revolution. Hope you've liked this video. Please don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any upcoming videos. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, take care.